Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a tan in the Face app in 2026 to your face. Do you want that sun-kissed look without the sun? The Face app lets you add a natural tan instantly. So let's see exactly how. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application the Face app. You can download this and find this in the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using because it's both available on Android and iOS devices. Once you find this, it's the FaceApp Perfect Face Editor developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. So then don't mix this with another app, this is the official one. Once you download this and install this, you're gonna open it and make sure to grant it access to your camera and then gallery. Once you grant it permission to access your camera and gallery, then you're gonna upload your photo either using your camera to take an instant picture or from the gallery. Make sure your face looks clear. Then you're gonna go to the skin or face section. From the skin, it's the second face filter. You're gonna click on it, and here you're gonna find a lot of options. From this bottom, you're gonna see the freckles, the smooth, the tan, no eye bags, the unwrinkled, the fresh, the clear, the glowing, the bright, and the matte. We're gonna select the tan option. As you can see here, this is a preview. So this tan option requires a premium version. You have to pay in order to use this filter, so make sure to pay for a premium version if you want to apply the tan filter to your pictures. Once you do that, you're gonna apply it and adjust the intensity to your picture. Then you're gonna save your image. Now a tan can enhance your look quickly, so use the Face app to get a natural glow. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.